How to fix no service SIM card problem. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. First things first, you can try to restart your iPhone, as restarting your phone sometimes fixes the temporary glitches on your iPhone. See if the issue is fixed or not, and if not, then swipe down from the top right of your screen and you will be led to your control center. Here, go ahead and enable airplane mode and wait for 30 seconds and then disable it again. This will refresh your phone's connection to the nearest cell tower. You can also try to remove and reinsert the SIM card. So take out the SIM tray using a pin and then gently wipe the SIM card with a soft cloth and then reinsert it properly and restart your phone, and your issue should have been fixed by now. If not, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device and tap on general and then on software update. Check for updates and install any pending update and restart. See if the issue is fixed or not, and if not, then in general again. Scroll down and you will see the option for transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on that and then tap on reset and then on reset network settings. Further, go ahead and enter your passcode and reset the network settings. Once done, see if the issue is fixed or not, and if not, then you can go ahead and check the SIM card and the slot. So try another SIM in your phone, and if it works, your SIM may be damaged, and if no SIM works, the phone's SIM reader or antenna might be faulty. You can also go ahead and contact your carrier, as if your account is inactive, suspended, or there is a local outage, then you will get the no service tag. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix no service SIM card problem. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.